Hello everyone, and today I'm actually trying to make super thin waffles, and I have a little bit left over butter, which is probably not enough to cover the entire surface. So did you know the secret? If you add some club soda to your butter, it actually rises more. So yes, I'm adding about 1/4 of a cup. I feel like it's enough not to make it too runny. And yes, you guys can see that it's already foaming, right? So that's actually going to give me more butter. And yes, I actually have some sesame seeds inside as well. So it is very, very light. So it is kind of an experiment. And yes, guys, I'm also going to be stuffing it with them pistachio nuts, olives, and some Swiss cheese. All right, so let's see if this experiment is going to work out, because again, the butter is super, super thin right now. Yes, so, but definitely I covered the surface, and now I'm going to put the stuffing in. Yes, guys, I feel like it's definitely going to be very interesting. So check this out. You see how kind of it's already cooking on the sides and rising. That's exactly what I was looking for. So again, it's kind of like an angel food cake. It is super, super light, which is important. And yes, let's add some stuffing. And again, I have here some pistachio nuts, olives, and some Swiss cheese as well. So yes, I'm just going to give it another second to cook a little bit. So we have nice and crispy bottom. And yes, now I feel like I can definitely start with the pistachios, just kind of spreading them evenly. Try not to get it too close to the sides, as well as putting some olives. And it already looks like gourmet bread, which is very, very nice. I'm going to show it to you guys in a second. And again, what's super, super cool, the club soda makes it super fluffy. So look at this. Look at this beauty. Super, super excited to continue. All right, now it's time for some Swiss cheese, and again, just kind of towards the middle, not to burn it from the sides. Give another stir to my butter, maybe another splash of club soda. Yeah, so now it's super, super fluffy. As you guys can see, it is foaming, and it's a secret if you don't have baking soda as well. I do have self-rising flour, but again, I feel like, experimenting is always fun. All right, so we have the top piece, and I'm closing it up. All right, guys, so let's see what's gonna happen with it now. And yes, I need to wait about 3 minutes and then flip it around. So yes, guys, it's time to flip it. Let's see. I do have a little bit of a spillage because again, it is super, super fluffy. So yes, guys, let's see the final result. Super, super excited to see how it looks. And yes, guys, look. So, so, so delicious. And yeah, let me actually, maybe I should flip it like this so we can see the other side. Look. Even though it was super, super fluffy, it still looks super, super cool and crispy. It is almost like a waffle cookie because again, it is very, very nice and dried. Yes, guys, let's see. Look at this. It's hot, but again, it is cooked through, so maybe I should just cut it with a knife. Much easier. And yes, look at that. Olive inside. So, so, so good.